This one's for my mom.
This is also always dedicated to these guys on each side of me, because this song is about well, go down the road, out on the road by yourself, and realizing it would have been much better if you had your dudes with you. The lads.
The lads and
right.
the lads and Jeannie.
Got that guitar ready, Kinney? Running down the North Central Plains, shaky hands holding the rein. Sunlight's implied, a dark soul remain. For me, I'm headed south. Blue and black stitched sky and sand. Windswept heart in a windswept land, where the wheels the only one to take my hand and carry me around, holding all that lonely I got a letter from a friend, said I never let no one in, like a heart with a veteran sentry guardian. No, it never makes a sound, holding all that lonely down. Well, I'll be alright, I swear it sometimes seems a lot to bear. With all this rolling down, holding all that lonely down. Strangers in a foreign land couldn't care, much less understand. They just pass like grotesque masks in a second hand. I keep my eyes to the ground, and I met a girl down in Hot Springs. Said I don't do that kind of thing. She said, boy, don't confuse a friend with a flame. We both just stood in town, holding all that lonely down. Well, you'll be alright, take care and hide it in a song to share. Tomorrow's another town, holding all that lonely down. Well, you can cry out if you want to. You can make the midnight ring from the hollows that haunt you. You can find most anything, like the right words to sing.